That snow, all the snow. So yeah, it's pretty crazy here in Seattle right now in regards to snow. To people in places that are used to the snow, this is like haha lows, whatever. Um, but for Seattle, the city's almost shut down. Everybody's gone home, and I'm here chilling, drinking some coffee. Getting ready to do some more coding, and I'm going to kick off today's stream mostly with just doing some goofing around here, testing out the environment. I thought I had background image. I had just fixed it where, oh, there we go. So now you can see all the things going on. And I've been fighting with this VirtualBox configuration issue. I figured I might as well just keep fighting through it. Maybe somebody can lend a hand. So I did figure out that I had downloaded a version that is version 5.2.8. That's super old. They're on 6.04 now, and I've upgraded to that, but I still get this 1908 kernel issue crap. So I was like, all right, I don't really know how to run this command in particular, but I guess I'll go to here. Maybe sbin. What is... Is it even in here? There it is. So I should run this. Sudo vbox config. See what that does. Is that going to get us anywhere? Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm going to be kind of surprised if an error message stated what to do to fix something and actually fixes something. That's going to be pretty trippy. There's a problem setting up VirtualBox. Restart the setup process by doing this as root. Mod probe vbox drv failed. Please use dmessage to find out why. Dmessage. Whoa! Package temperature above threshold. Nothing on here is very hot. For more. Oh wow, a bunch of crazy stuff going on in here. Let's do a search for that, see what we get. Let's go look at that. Oh yeah, what is this crap? Fix Intel CPU throttling on Linux. Find Linux throttling issues affecting Lenovo. It's described here. Oh, look at this. That's hilarious. Some Dells. Well, let's check this out. What do we got here? Oh, nice. So maybe I should install this. Installation methods, Ubuntu. Let's get this installed. Figure out what's up with the CPU. called? S. It is S2E. Okay, and then I guess I have to actually run the install for it too, derp. What? Huh. Did the app update not work? App list. Fair amount of stuff. Oh, code's upgradable. Okay. Unable to locate package. Huh. Oh, I gotta, maybe I should do this. Let's try the freaking pip install version. Should decrease that font size on there. Get that fixed real quick. Enable better TTO emotes. Nah, font. Oh, font size. This thing. 36. The heck was I doing with that? 22 pixels is good. Pip install S2E. Okay, pip worked. While I'm trying to get that VirtualBox installed, let's see if there's a standalone thing for what's that? Twitch chat standalone. Chatty Twitch chat client. Yeah. Yeah, this. So like what do you use? So you can't handle watching, well, CPU can handle it, but pop out, you go chat only. Oh yeah, duh. What's this? Oh, that looks cool. I'll look at that later. I don't want to install a Java app at the moment. So how the hell do I do a pop out? Oh, pop out. There we go. Sweet. That's cool. We got S2E installed. I have to S2E it like this. Oh, whatever. So where is the state of VirtualBox? VirtualBox. Still getting the same error message? Yeah. Please reinstall the kernel module by executing this. Okay, as root. CD sbin. Cancel. Stop running. Of course that didn't work. There we go. Clear. It's still these, yeah, so CPU 8 and 2 above total events, yeah. So let's do something about that. Just gonna look for that for a second. Let's get this out of here. And where was it? No, here we go. How to fix temperature thresholds. CPU in this, ever stranger, 4-node core, all running at different CPU megahertz. Kernel updates resolve this issue. I have recent kernel, I believe. So that's not that useful. CPU. Oh, that's that. How do I run this stupid thing? IS2 did that. So then what? Then you can run it. This is kind of a pain in the ass. CD throttling on CPU power limit is forced value 44. The temperature 95 degree probably default. These tools also work for this. Okay. Why are these things not work? Not installed, error in VirtualBox. Kernel not installed. Why is it not installed anyway? I don't feel like I should have to hack my processor to make this shit work. Thanks. Yeah, that's what I got, alright. So I did this, I thought. Oh, maybe it's crapping out too because I have it open. I don't know. Yeah, I already got that installed. Same thing. Well,
Comes on looking at this. Alpha command.
let's see, virtual box, kernel, build, but fails on CPU overheat. I should try the kernels too. I don't know what. Should have the latest. Okay, let's try this. Try that. 2. Yes. Do all of that stuff. Okay, so that'll reload kernel. That might actually require a reboot, but oh, interesting. That could actually be that. Oh, I just don't know though. AKMS. Linux headers. I should probably install this too. Blocks plus secure boot fail. VirtualBox to work properly in Ubuntu with UEFI secure boot up fully enabled. Problem is Ubuntu does not sign a third-party box kernel modules. Ah, that's what's going wrong here. Ubuntu does not sign the third-party VBox kernel modules, but rather gives the user the option to disable secure boot upon installation of the VirtualBox package. I can do that, but then I would see an annoying booting in secure mode. Yeah, message every time the machine starts, and also the dual boot Windows 10 installation I would have that would not function. Right. Oh yeah, so that's this is such a gnarly, shitty issue. Install the VirtualBox package. Representing the issue at hand and given the option to disable secure boot, choose no. I don't get that option though. Create a personal public-private RSA key pair which will be used to sign kernel modules. Make dir open SL I should do this though. Public key so they can be trusted by the system. Yeah, okay, so let's let's see about that. Let's see where we get. This is going to be trippy. Oh, there's the crap, yeah. System will assist you in configuring UEFI. Alright. Are you serious? That's shit. Secure boot. Put your password in plain text. Alright, well, doing a password, so hold on just a second. Typing a password right now. Typing a password. Typing a password still. Boom. Oh, trippy. My results are weird. So check it out. Here we go. We got failed this thing. Loading VirtualBox kernel modules. ModPro blah VBox drive failed. Please use the message to find out why. Something failed and then control process exited. Da 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 da. What 5.218? That's it still thinks the old stupid VirtualBox is on here. So let's remove this junk. Definitely want to do those too. Okay, let's see what we got here. Nothing. That shouldn't happen. It shouldn't come up. Yeah, it says install. Okay. So then let's go out to the site again. Download Linux distributions. Debian 1604, 1810, 1804, and Debian 10. Following line to wonder if I need to sign this stupid key here to get it to work. You can add these keys with blah. I'm going to try this one more time. I did this a minute ago, but I had the other one installed, so maybe this will work this time. It says 6.04, so let's give that a try. Snowing even more outside now. Actually coming down everywhere. There we go. So that should be 6.0. So if I do this and then VirtualBox, that actually looks newer. 6.04. Okay, close. Ah, crap. Okay, so same problem. If I try to run that, let's see here, sudo sbin vbox thing. I think I should have closed that. That's probably going to crap out. Using a sign relationship with the kernel, build image, sign all the VirtualBox modules using the private mock key generated in two. Yeah, so crappy thing here. Let's see here. Mod probe vbox drv. Fine. Let's file. Oh, whoops. What is it? Is it double ticks? Yeah, that's what I want to find. Clear. Oh, let's clear. Alright, so cd user share VirtualBox source vbox host, and then mod probe vbox drive sudo. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, so let's do all of this stupid shit. So sudo I clear make dir root module signing cd root module signing. Alright, this should be alright, ch mod 600 mock private clear. So then let's do this to import tool. We'll do mock util import root just signing mock dir whoops. Please hold. Type in a password again. So. Alright, coming right back because I am done typing the password. There you go. Alright, then I need to reboot the machine. When the bootloader starts, the mock manager UEFI file should automatically start. It will ask for parts of the password supplied in step 3. Yep, okay. Choose to enroll mock, then you should see the key imported in step 3. Complete the enrollment steps, then continue with boot. The Linux kernel will log the keys that are loaded, and you should be able to set up your own key with the message, demessage, grep, da 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 da. So let's just put this in my bookmarks bar, right wherever the heck it went. There we go. And then we're going to reboot. Alright, so let's see here. Close terminal, booting. So see everybody in a hot second after a reboot, huh? So boom. Alright, just rebooted. Let's see here, just pulling the back up Twitch. There we go. Huh. That's kind of weird. But all right, let's see where we are with virtual box, and then we'll new window. Let's bring that blog entry back up. All right, so I just did this. You should be able to see your own key with the command da 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 da. All right, let's demessage, grep, EFI, oops, loaded, cert, and of course I got nothing. Use a signing utility with the kernel build file. Sign all the VirtualBox modules using, then continue with boot. Sign all the VirtualBox modules using the private mock key generated in step 2. It's an install script. So you can easily run it with new kernels as part of regular updates. Interesting. So so I'm gonna take that, yeah, and let's. I'm gonna put it right here actually. So make touch. Sign, update, kernels, 4 kernels. Oh, that sounds good enough. Now let's. So it's your module in echo signing mod file. Okay, I think that'll get us where we need to go. So let's go CHI. Oh, whoops. That snow has slowed down. It's just putting along now. Of course, it's all fucked up. Ah, jeez. Yeah, I probably need to put it in there. That would make more sense. Clear. Let's do sudo root. Oh, dash. And then go back into, let's do root, module signing. There we go. Clear. What do we got in here? We got that. Okay. And then we do, let's just create it here. Sign v box modules. Yeah, I like that idea better. What do we use? Oh, list. Well, whatever. Do this then. Tell me not to open. Whatevs. All right, now we're gonna page mod 700. Assign the modules. There we go. Clear. There we go. Okay, clear. 5 is root. You'll need to run the signing script every time the kernel update is installed, since this will cause a rebuild, and the third-party VirtualBox modules use the script only after the kernel has been booted, since it relies on mod info dash and uname to do that. Okay, yeah. And then load this crap. Okay. So let's see if we can do that now. Where is it? It's where's my find command? Whatever, sudo find file vbox drv. Oh, clear. Let's actually do what is it? Whatever. Exit it. There we go. And now I gotta do find. Oh, there's the mod pro, but then I was do. Wait, is that actually where it's at? I bet it is. Yeah, there's vbox dirv mod probe cd mod. Let's just see if we can do mod probe vbox drive. Whoa, not that much. There we go. Operation application. So vbox. So I wonder. Okay. What? Oh snap! That did it. All right. Whew. All right. So great blog post. Let's give props to this fellow coder hacker person. What is this person's name? Ivan Stegad, I think. Hats off to you, dude. Ivan, I guess. Ivan Cassius Vespi. Oh, you live way up there, man. Well, my friend, thank you for that blog entry. That is an excellent blog entry. All right, so now get in here and all right, yeah. So now we get this set up right. Window capture, right? Yeah, let's see here. VirtualBox. Man, I hope I don't have to go through all that crap for a long time. Yeah, there we go. Now, whoops. So you're just lining it up, because as you can see, as is, it's a mess. But I'm getting it balanced out right now. There we go. And voila. Fixed. Fixed. Awesome. Oh, so I put that in the wrong thing, but okay. Story of my life. There we go. Okay, I fixed that. And big. And then, oh, that snow is coming down again like crazy. Do. So now I got this board, like, I can explain stuff and then transition to the other one. So that's pretty slick. Alright, now we're making some progress. And then of course it's your back to this one, and the big, small. Why did I do? So then the snow. Yeah, this one is supposed to be. That's that. And then that's. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's do. It looks like we have some updates. Updates amidst the snow. Let's get the updates going here. Boom. Oh yeah, a bunch of stuff. So install. Interesting. It's brown on the screen and blue in my actual VM. That is extremely, extremely strange. Huh. So there's the details of the update going on. Yeah, so my background is actually blue. Wonder how I'm getting that weird color. Well, I guess all the colors are kind of flipped around. Well, whatever. As that updates, it snows outside. So let's see here. Alright, I got this screen now working. I got this one working again. The update's going on. Then I got this screen. And then the other one. This one is, oh yeah, this one's actually supposed to be not this. Let's get this fixed. Big, small. Wait, what the hell did I want to do? One small. Oh yeah, that is what I want to do. Actually, I like that, so I'm going to keep these screens like this. So there's that one. Transition it. And then, of course, the screens with all the stuff. Yeah, okay. So really, though, this is only a snow day only screen. Alright, there we go. So everything's updated on the machine now. But I need to, okay, so next things now, I need to get the so I need to, alright, we need to go back to whole screen. And this one is going to get shut down. Then I need to bring VirtualBox back up, and we need to actually look at, oh yeah, the other one, which is, here we go, Go Coding. But this isn't even the other one that I need to look at. I need to look at Ubuntu Clone, Starter Clone. Yeah, I need to look at this one. This is the, actually no, let's remove this one. Oh no, we can leave it in there. We don't have to remove it. And the Windows 10 clone for stuff like oh, what is it? You know, doing stuff like Photoshop and everything. That's what I had that one for. And then this clone needs to be cloned again, and we're going to make it Ubuntu Starter, Ubuntu Dev Workstation. Let's generate new stuff. Let's call it Ubuntu Dev Workstation. No, let's call it, actually, you know what? I'll leave that one there, and let's create a new one. Let's time point this though. Whoops. God, I got 50 of these things open. There we go. Okay. So make sure I'm on the right screen here. This is at 18 minutes. Alright, we're going to start a new one. So, new VirtualBox Manager. This is going to be Linux. And then, well, it ain't Ubuntu, it ain't Gentoo, Debian. I think should probably select Debian, so let's do that. What's this one say? Oh, the penguin foot. Okay, whatever. Now let's go with Debian. So we're going to go with Debian 64-bit. We'll call this Dev Workstation Budgie, I think is the one I have. Machine folder is not going to be that. It's going to be over here. And then on space, and then VMs. And then here. Then we'll call it Budgie Workstation. Then next. Alright, we're going to go up here. We're going to do 16384. And then we're going to say create a new hard drive. VDI, we do want that. Dynamic sizing, please. Yes. And when here, we're going to say 120. And then we'll create. Now we're going to settings, and we need to get the boot disk set up. So here we just load it like it's a boot CD, boot DVD thing. Where is other videos, virtual machines, OS? Pop OS, Budgie, here's Budgie. Budgie's the smallest image size, that's pretty slick. So we're going to go with that. Hit OK, and then, yeah, let's just start, see where we get here. So I'm going to close that, X that out. There we go. So I'm gonna, whoops, I hit Steam. Didn't need to do that. Oh, so it does go over the top of stuff. Yeah, it works. So you can see the loading there, regardless of the other stuff that's happening on the screen. Oh, it already looks gorgeous. Let's make sure the resolution, there it is. So install Ubuntu Budgie. That looks good. Then let's do minimal installation, download updates while installing Budgie. Yep, pretty much the same thing. Let's do web browser, media player. Yeah, I don't want all that stuff. Erase disk and install Budgie. That is what I want. Yep, that looks good. Let's go ahead and bump this up to reasonable scaled output. So Los Angeles, I don't want Los Angeles, Seattle. Find Seattle, there we go. Seattle. And next, I'm just going to go with me. Budgie, Wedgie. I guess it'd help if I type the same passwords. I wonder if, let's go copy files. It's kind of funny that it, like if I hit this, can I, like how do I even see that? Can I change the resolution of the screen? I don't think so. It's stuck at 800 by 600. Which is fine, whatever. But it's just kind of funny, you know? That looks pretty nice. I like that side panel. I mean, that's not what the... Yeah, Ubuntu doesn't really have that side panel, so, you know, whatever. I like how it has a left side panel too, there. Right and left. So you get the calendar thing, and then you got the little icons there for the apps. I'm curious about the top bar, what the top bar actually has in it. Oh, it has Chromium already. That's cool. That's something that I tend to put on there, even if I'm using Ubuntu or whatever, is I just put Chromium on there, because why you would not have that, I don't know. I mean, unless you're frustrated with Google's fiddling around with it, but otherwise it's still pretty much the de facto browser. I think I'll have to re-edit this so we can have a fast install, but I'll make it a video install of this regardless, whatever the case. LibreOffice. I don't really use LibreOffice that much, but I do actually use it some. Rhythm box. Is that what I have on Ubuntu? Huh. Oh, there it is. I do have it. Okay, let's do this. Let's, install it on the local machine too. Oops. And what's our next step? Oh, it's restarting time. Right, now we can get a good resolution on here. I'm going to save those docs for the blog entry, or for the, the post facto. Alright, now how do I get, well, I guess I can just go in and pull my Dropbox related stuff. Alright, how do I import this stuff? New playlist, check devices, connect to this, load from file. Playlist, my top rating. Online sources, Last FM. I'd have to try out Last FM again. Yeah, it's there now. Oh, there it is. Cool. turn that one off. Oh, and you can do it one per thing. Come on, do this real quick. Oh, the music is playing. Oh crap, it's playing super loud. I just can't hear it on my part. What a bunch of crazy nonsense. Okay, let's see. Let's turn this way down. Ah, bloody hell. Oh, and here's the different microphones. Built-in headset. This thing, 920? Yeah, that's what I want. Okay. So that was probably just like 5 minutes of crap. What's up with this color? Crop pixels, desktop. I just don't know what's up with that. You're gonna get the weird colors for some reason. Oh wow, I can even crop the top though. That's trippy. And then let's see here. Oh, here's some other options. Use alphaless texture. Include exporter? No. Lock X server when cap. Swap red and blue. Ah, there we go. Okay, fixed it. Yes, so there's a fix red and blue thing. Straighten that out. Yeah. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. And how's this going? Nope. Yes. Nope. Yes. Okay. Mic 3. Yay. Okay. There we go. So audio is kind of fixed. Except my desktop audio peaks too. I don't know which one's doing which. That's pretty crazy. Anyway, so I hope you can hear me okay. If any of their like 2 people signed on to sign on. So let's do kill that, kill that, kill that. Alright, now I can sign in, get other stuff installed. So that's keep in dock. I think it'll get updated just fine. So let's mix that process, get Chromium going. Alright, let's get JetBrains going on here. Yes, let's get Chromium set as default, JetBrains, developer tools. We'll go full screen with that. And tools, toolbox app. Yes, I'll take your cookies. Free download. Oh, let's do open. And then we'll do, oh nice. So put it in a folder already, so then click run. And that should get us going there. Oh yeah, slick. Boom. Go ahead and close that. I don't need it. There we go. And then let's get set up for GoLand ASAP. But let's get data grip. And then we want to get GoLand. Where'd it go? GoLand. And then one more. I want to get WebStorm. And while that's going, there's one other thing I want to go install. Visual Studio Code. get the go with the Debian install there. Download should start. Go. Set that open when done. Alright, so that's going. How's our Debian install going? Yeah, okay. Kick ass. There it almost. Okay. You know, JetBrains, the update here should be, this should go into like a state where it says, you know, working or something while that's going on. Because that's a little confusing what's happening right now. Let's get the other stuff going on. Well, I'll let that finish. No reason to overload it. Oh, nice. The apps. Oh, yeah. So nice. So freaking nice. Calendar. Programming. JetBrains Toolbox. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I want to keep this and run it. Just wondering what happened to it. So what's this little red glow do? Ah, there we go. Okay. Just trying to tell me it's ready to install. Can't help but wonder what the heck with this sound stuff. Oh, yeah. Does that go? Programming. Did I have that? Oh, they all go in here? Badass. I don't know how they got that to work. Okay. I'll set those up where y'all don't have to watch me. I.e., I'll get that shit done. GSD time. So let's see, what's this do? Oh, that's the... Ah, that looks so good. Video, built-in audio amplifier. That is cool. Notifications. How do those... Oh. What was I going to do? Whoa, what was that? Oh, that's pretty cool. Places, huh? Downloads. Yeah, take me to the downloads there. That's cool. I guess I put that in the trash. And what else we got here? Nothing. Oh, and then the shutdown down there. But then there's the quick. Oh, yeah, I like it. Oh, and hibernate. Going kind of old school. Settings. Yes, please update toolbox automatically. Update all tools automatically. Explanation: Ubuntu Budgie 8.04 was released. Do you want to install now? The updates have already been downloaded. Yeah. Settings. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Oh, what did it do? Oh, software updater. Alright, install the updates. Oh, here I'm just like getting lost in thought here. Let's do that while we're waiting here. Virtual box. Let's see, halfway, so I need to do that. Bring it to the center. Okay. Alright, here's what I'm about to do. Let's do this in the bookmarks. Bookmarks. Let's see here. Mark for log entries and video notes. Two, that one. There we go. I might actually take that and move it way over here. There we go. Then we want to do this. Twitter. Alright, just a minute more here. I'll get started on this thing. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do the screenshot, copy, boom. Mint workstation. So we're going to do other Linux on the VirtualBox. So your window caption, VirtualBox admin. That's this thing right here. Alright. Oh, derp. Let's actually transition to this. Okay. So, first things first. We are going to get the Mint, a version of Mint. So we're going to do, I'm going to do LMDE3, which just goes with the Debian package manager and removes all the Ubuntu cruft. I'm going to go with the 64-bit version. So LMDE3 Cindy Cinnamon. Alright, what's close? Let's do Waterloo. Something close to here. I don't want to. University of Washington. That's like down the street. Let's do this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, got that downloading. Now it's time to prep the VirtualBox for it. So I looked in the list. Oh, it doesn't. The list doesn't show up on stupid garbage. So like I could do Linux kernel 263 4x 64-bit, or I could pick other Linux 64. I'm just going to pick this one. I thought there was a Linux Mint option, but yeah, I don't see it anywhere. So yeah, we're just going to do it other Linux. Go next. Here, do 16384. And here, yes, create hard drive. Let's do a VDI. And then dynamically allocated. We're going to do 120 gigs for this one too. Okay. And then that popped us back out. Oh, weird. That doesn't let me show you that. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so here's the settings for the box. I'm going to do bidirectional on this. System. We got a good amount of RAM. I'm cool with that. For processor, I enable this. I'm also going to bump this up to 6. Because this is going to be my dev workstation. I want it to be kind of fast. And it will be. These are enabled. That actually, I don't know what to put there. I don't know if anything specifically is going to help me out. I'm going to change this to 48. Got one monitor. Don't need that stuff. None of that. Storage looks good. This, though, I need to change to... Let's go to downloads. There it is. Cinnamon Mint. It's going to be so tasty. Okay. Oh wait, Mint works. Yeah, that's the drive. And that is the boot CD, DVD, whatever. CD, I guess in this case. Pulse audio, network looks good. Don't really need to tweak nothing else right now, so let's go with that. And I'm going to attempt to boot this thing now. There you go, you should see it up in the corner. Oops. Let's bump it up a little bit. Let's bump it up a little bit more. Oops. We'll do it that big for now. Alright. Mint is moving forward in progress. I'm going to get rid of my Chromium browser back there. I'm just going to look at the VBox admin. There you go. Running in software rendering mode. This result even much higher than normal CPU. That's fine for now. Yes, let's install Linux Mint. Cool, what do we got here? Alright, I'm gonna go with English. And then, oh man, I can't even see the... Okay, we need to... Alright, let's start that over. What can we do here? Desktop, icon size, horizontal. It needs to be bigger, plain and simple. No? I don't even actually know where to set that in here. Add desk. Let's change desktop background. Maybe that. Yeah, let's go with Linux Mint here. This looks cooler. Because that's a high priority right now. Yeah, and then this. Here we go. So display. Where is display? Maybe not desktop. Backgrounds. Desklets, account details, general hot corners. I like that. But window tiling, workspaces, hardware, printers, network. There we go. Display. Come on, we can do better than this. Let's do this size. Yeah, that looks fine. Ah, beautiful. Okay. Yep. Yep. Now we'll be able to see the damn installation screen. Yeah, how does that look in stream? Yeah, that's good enough for now. Okay. So we're going to install this. Okay. English. Oh, that's a much better map. What do we got here? Let's see if we got Seattle. Hey. What? What? Poor form. North Dakota, who gives a shit about that? Okay, so I love North Dakota, whatever. We'll go with Los Angeles. That'll work. Looks good. Oh, nice. Let's go with lightning. Yeah. All right, doing a password. Doing a password. Bear with me. Doing a password. Whoops. Okay. Password's in. Going with lightning mints. No future state was found on. Hard drive. Yes. Let's do that. All the stuff. Oh, nice. It actually does an appropriate partitioning. Hey, gig for the swap. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Install grub. Bootloader used to. Sure, whatever. And that looks good. No automatic logins. Automatic logins, bad idea. Alright, there we go. Gorgeous. And I even get to pick my nice little installation backdrop. I kind of want to know how they rendered that. Probably with Blender. damage. Oh, I did remember it. Huh. Is it done yet? No, checking bootloader. Okay. What is this? Yes, please restart my computer. And with that, it looks like we're almost done. Rebooting. Weird. Twitch does some of the funniest stuff. Hide messages after, don't show messages, always show messages. Let's say, yeah, 200 seconds is good. Setting them up to hide stuff. Let's see, hide chat bots. No. Save settings. Badges. Alright, I think that does it. Yeah, how do I get these other damn things?